truth, not all luxury coupes are headaches. If you pick wisely and keep up with basic maintenance, you can enjoy style, speed, and comfort without constant repair drama. Today, we're breaking down 5 standouts you can own with confidence after warranty. We'll cover what each one does best, what to watch out for, and who each car is perfect for. 1. Lexus RC350/RCF Sport. Why it's special. Think of the RC as Toyota reliability dressed in a suit. The RC350 uses a naturally aspirated V6. No turbos, no fancy tricks, just smooth, proven power. That simplicity is its superpower. With regular oil changes and sensible care, many examples run well past 200,000 kilometers and still feel tight. How it drives calm, confident, and refined. It's not the fastest in this list, but it's steady and satisfying. The F-Sport trim adds firmer suspension, sport seats, and sharper looks, making it feel more alert without turning harsh. Pros: Toyota-level durability, very few nasty surprises, smooth V6 with a clean power curve, great sound, quiet cabin, solid materials, and minimal squeaks as it ages. F-Sport brings real handling improvements and stronger road presence. Cons: not a rocket ship. Straight line speed is decent, not wild. Rear seats and trunk are on the small side. Infotainment and trackpad controller feel dated. Ownership tips: stick with the RC350 V6 for the long-term forever car vibe. Follow the maintenance schedule, use quality fluids, and inspect suspension bushings and brakes around higher mileage. This car shines when you just want reliable luxury that looks great and starts every morning. Best for drivers who want low-stress luxury. If you value peace of mind and plan to keep a car for years, the RC is your trustworthy partner. 2. BMW 4 Series F32/F82 435i, 440i, M4 if well maintained. Why it's special. The 4 Series is the driver's choice. It blends comfort with genuine fun, especially on winding roads. Engine choice matters here. Early 435i models are fine, but the later 440i with the B58 inline-6 is the star. Strong, smooth, and known for durability. Fun fact, Toyota trusted versions of this BMW 6-cylinder for the modern Supra. How it drives balanced and lively. Steering is precise, the chassis is playful yet stable, and it's comfortable enough to daily. Choose rear drive for purity or X-Drive for all-weather confidence. The M4 is a serious performance jump. Amazing when well cared for, but it needs disciplined maintenance. Pros: excellent blend of performance and daily comfort. B58 engine has a great reliability rep among modern BMWs. Wide range of trims, options, and aftermarket support. Cabin tech still feels modern with proper updates. Cons: maintenance is pricier than Japanese rivals. Older models can have minor leaks or sensor quirks. The M4, while glorious, punishes neglect. Ownership tips: if possible, target a 440i with full service history. Keep up with oil services, cooling system checks, and high-quality spark plugs. Inspect suspension components and brakes. Enthusiastic owners sometimes wear them faster. A cared-for 4 Series is a sweet spot. Thrilling without becoming a project. Best for people who love to drive. If your ideal evening is a back road detour home, the 4 Series makes every trip feel special. 3. Audi A5/S5. Why it's special? Audi nailed the timeless look. Even older A5s still turn heads thanks to clean lines and a planted stance. But the real everyday hero is Quattro all-wheel drive, which gives you grip and confidence in rain or snow. Newer models use the EA888 4-cylinder A5 or a potent 6 in the S5, both dependable with proper servicing. How it drives composed and secure. The A5 is smooth and efficient. The S5 adds real punch and a deeper exhaust note. Steering is tidy, the ride is controlled, and the cabin is quiet. Perfect for long drives. Pros: design ages gracefully. Still looks premium years later. Quattro AWD equals confident in all seasons. Comfortable interior with supportive seats. Resale tends to be steady for well-kept cars. Cons: maintenance discipline is key. Stretch intervals and it can complain. Infotainment and electronics repairs can be pricey when out of warranty. Parts/labor usually cost more than Japanese brands. Ownership tips: follow shorter oil change intervals than the car's long life suggestion. Keep up on spark plugs, charged ignition coils, and don't delay fluids. The payoff is a coupe that feels safe, stable, and stylish year-round. Best for drivers who want all-weather confidence and a premium feel without shouting about it. Pick the S5 if you want more power and character. 4. Mercedes-Benz E-Class Coupe C238. Why it's special. This is the luxury cruiser of the group. The E-Class Coupe trades track day swagger for old-school elegance and long-haul comfort. The highlight is the 3.0-liter inline-6 with mild hybrid assist. Buttery smooth, plenty of torque, and impressively refined. How it drives relaxed and plush. Steering is light, ride quality is excellent, and noise isolation is top tier. It's the kind of car that makes heavy traffic feel less stressful and long trips feel shorter. Pros: stunning interior design and ambient lighting, true lounge vibe. Refined straight six with smooth hybrid assist. Advanced driver aids and a modern tech suite. Feels substantial and secure at speed. Cons: more luxury than sport. Enthusiasts may want sharper handling. Tech-heavy cars can have electronic gremlins as they age. Parts and labor costs are typically high after warranty. Ownership tips: prioritize cars with complete service records. Keep software up to date. Watch for battery health, including auxiliary systems, and care for suspension components that carry the car's refined ride. Treated well, it's a long-term comfort champion. Best for buyers who want elegance first and foremost. If your perfect weekend is a scenic highway cruise with music on and stress off, this is your match. 5. Infiniti Q60 3.0T Red Sport. Why it's special. An underrated gem. The Q60 comes from Nissan's luxury arm and brings real performance value, especially in Red Sport 400 trim, a twin-turbo V6 with serious shove. It flies under the radar, which helps pricing on the used market. How it drives: quick and comfortable. The Red Sport surges forward with easy power, and the ride remains smooth enough for daily use. Steering feel can be a bit video game-like, but for many owners, the straight-line punch and style outweigh that quirk. Pros: big horsepower for the money, strong highway passing power, Japanese reliability roots, and simpler ownership than many Germans. Distinctive exterior styling. You won't park next to 5 of the same car. Often great value used due to faster depreciation. Cons: dual-screen infotainment feels dated. Steering feedback isn't as natural as BMW or Lexus. Resale values aren't strong. Good for buyers, tough for sellers. Ownership tips: look for well-maintained examples. Stick to proper oil changes and cooling system checks to keep turbos happy. Inspect brakes and tires. Power encourages spirited driving. If you want speed and uniqueness without premium German bills, this car delivers. Best for shoppers who want power and value in a sleek package. Great for someone who loves quick bursts and standout looks. How to pick the right one. Post-warranty playbook. Be honest about your personality. Want zero drama. Lexus RC. Want engaging drives? BMW 4 Series, B58, live with winter? Audi A5/S5, Quattro. Crave comfort? Mercedes E-Class Coupe. Want speed per dollar? Infiniti Q60 Red Sport. Service history over everything. A thick folder of receipts beats a shiny paint job. Oil changes on time, fluids done, plugs, coils replaced, and any recalls handled. That's the good stuff. Inspect the basics: tires, even wear, brakes, vibration, suspension, clunks, leaks, spots under the car, electronics. Test every button, screen, camera, sensor, and window switch. Budget smart. Even reliable luxury cars need maintenance. Set aside a yearly fund for tires, brakes, fluids, and the odd sensor. Peace of mind is priceless. Drive before you decide. Each of these has a distinct personality. A 10-minute test drive can tell you more than a dozen spec sheets. Quick recap: Lexus RC, the dependable daily. Smooth V6, low stress, ages gracefully. BMW 4 Series, the driver's coupe, aim for 440i. B58, for the best blend of fun and trust. Audi A5/S5, timeless design with Quattro confidence, reliable when serviced on time. Mercedes E-Class Coupe, plush, elegant, and soothing. Great straight six, premium upkeep. Infiniti Q60 Red Sport, sleeper value with big power, simpler to own than many expect. Owning a luxury coupe after warranty doesn't have to be scary. Choose a model with a strong track record, verify its maintenance story, and keep up with the basics. Do that, and you'll get the best part of luxury ownership: the feel-good design, the relaxing cabins, and the smile every time you drive, without the nightmare bills. So, which one fits your life? The calm and trusty Lexus, the lively BMW, the all-weather Audi, the serene Mercedes, or the punchy Infiniti? Whichever you choose, buy smart and enjoy every kilometer.